Hi guys, welcome back. This is another video about my modded GBA. So this is the one with the IPS screen module, and this is also the one with the amplifier mod. I also did a battery mod on this thing. I will link to the original video somewhere up here as well. And so here it is. So this is the module is the TP 4056 micro USB charging module for lithium polymer batteries. I have a lithium polymer battery which is 500 milliamp hour, and there's the JST plug. Instead of this being soldered directly to the battery terminals here at the back, I modded it in such a way that I can still use AA batteries, and I can also use the module or the rechargeable battery module. So to show you that it works still with the batteries, so there we have it. And just in case I need to, or rather if I decide to use the battery module, rechargeable battery module, I can just connect this JST plug to that plug. Now this is soldered directly to the terminals on the board. So red of course for positive, black for negative, and it corresponds with the module here. The wiring diagram is in the previous video, so you can check it out from there. So in essence, instead of these terminals being soldered directly onto the terminals of the Game Boy, you can connect them via the JST plug. So this only connects one way. It's a little bit fidgety to connect, but once you get it in, it's easy. So there, it's plugged in. Let's check if it's plugged in all the way. Yes, it is. Okay, so just turn it over like that. Close the battery bay. All right, let's turn it on. So a 500 milliamp hour battery can last for about 2 hours based on my previous test. So I'm gonna test Tetris now. The battery indicator still works. It will let you know when the battery module is low in power. And the purpose of this, of why I use the JST plug, is so that I can make more modules like this and just plug them in whenever I need to charge the other modules while charging the other modules. So in charging this one, just connect a regular cell phone charger on this thing. So battery indicator is red when charging, it will go blue. The blue LED here will light up when the battery is full. So just plug in a regular micro USB. So this light turns on, it means it's charging. When the battery is full, that light turns off and the blue light beside it turns on. So there you have it, the battery module with the JST plug. And good thing is I can still use AA batteries whenever I need to. Just push the wire out of the way. Put in the battery. The JST plug is small enough that it fits right in between the battery, so that you can still close the battery cover. It does need a little fiddling about. There you go. So see, it fits right in between. Battery cover is closed. Once again, here's the battery module. So let's plug it in once again. So the wires are a bit thin, so you might need to be careful at times, but so far I haven't had any problems plugging it in and removing it. It does shake around a bit, the battery at the back, since it's small. There you go. So if this was helpful to you and you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. Leave me a comment of what other mods you want to see. Share this video if you think it's helpful to, it will be of help to someone else. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Once again, enjoy. Yeah, maybe I'll play a little Tetris.